Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Highlander Limited all-wheel drive. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in Ulala Rouge. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 riding on top of 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and power liftgate. But why don't we hop inside this Highlander and see what else it has to offer. Helping us start inside, we got a key fob right here. Got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. We're gonna take a look in the front first. This Highlander does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob nearby in your pocket, put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. We're gonna take a look in the door first. On the bottom, you do have some nice storage. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And next to that handle, you do have your seating presets. On the bottom, you do have your power seating adjustment buttons. But now why don't we hop inside? Start the Highlander up. It is a push to start. Just put your foot on the brake. Press that engine start button. What we're going to do first is take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here, these arrows will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located in the center here. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system on the left. On the right, you have this cluster. This will help you navigate through your multi-information display right there. All those various screens. You also have Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic cruise control and lane departure assist. Here you have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here. Right now we're on Sirius XM. If we go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options, of course. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. Backup camera. You've got two views here, nice little split screen of directly right behind you, and you also have this nice little 360 bird's eye view. Moving down to the climate control system, it is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. Underneath, you do have this nice little shelf that runs along the entire side. If we just lift this piece up, you can run a cable through there and that'll come down under here, freeing some extra space you might have going on. Here are your different drive modes. 2 cup holders. Behind the shifter, you have your driver and passenger heated and cooled seats. Center console slides right open. Lots of room in here. You have a 12-volt outlet in there and a nice little shelf up top that does move around. And lastly, glove box. Nice and simple. Plenty of space in there as well. Now we're going to close that right up. So before we go into the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door, you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats. Behind the 2 front seats, you do have these little pockets for some extra storage. Behind the center console, the rear passengers have their own climate control settings. In between the 2 seats in the back here, if we just pull that up, you do have 2 cup holders in there as well as a nice little shelf. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Just press that and that'll give you access to that 3rd row seating right in the back. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this button on the key fob and that power liftgate will open right on its own. Taking a look inside, of course we have the 3rd row seating that is up right now. Those go down as easy as lifting these tabs up. Like so. You can see already we have a lot of cargo space. We do have also cup holders for when those seats are up. And the 2nd row seats do go down as well. And that'll give you some extra bit of space that you'll need. On the left, we have some storage space. And underneath here, if we just lift this up, you have your tools to change your spare tire that's located underneath the vehicle. And to the left, you also have some extra bit of storage space. So just close that right up. Up top, we got this button. Just press that and that power liftgate will just close right on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Highlander. Once again, some of those great interior features are your 7-passenger seating, heated seats, Bluetooth audio, backup camera, and power moonroof. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.